Good afternoon, my name is Lami'ah Momoh, and today I'm going to introduce to you Sterling Herbal CBD products. Now in front of me I've got the 750 milligram strength, and I've also got the 2400 milligram strength. Now the 750 is used to address a variety of ailments. It's very strong and potent, so it can address the ailments and people can get relief from it. However, the 2400 milligram strength is 3 times the strength of the 750. Never seen before in Nigeria, never seen before in Africa. Very, very potent. People use the 2400 milligram strength to address very chronic ailments like stroke, Parkinson's, and different other debilitating diseases. I've got various testimonials on people that have used it for Parkinson's. I have testimonials on a little child that used it for dyslexia. So there's so many testimonials in relation to the CBD oil. Now, there's something else that we're introducing to the market, and it's called the CBD vape pen. And this is what it looks like. Now, our CBD vape pen is pre-filled. It doesn't contain any contaminants, so all the PG, the PEG, VG, it doesn't have any of those. So it's just pure, unadulterated CBD oil, and it works like a dream. So for people that have pain and nausea, vomiting, when they take it, especially for pain, you get relief within 5 to 10 minutes, guaranteed, with a vape pen. The vape pen is very popular, it's becoming very popular all over the world now because of how effective it is, and people tend to get immediate results. So, and also because when you go out, for instance, you go out, you take your vape pen, it's not social for you to open your mouth and put the CBD oil under your tongue. It's more socially acceptable to just take the vape pen and puff on it. And this one is really nice because when you puff on it, there's a light that comes up at the bottom. So it's really nice. So people use it to show off a fizzy, as they say. So with me today is a very beautiful lady. Her name is Dr. Eucharia, and she's going to be giving us some testimonials about people that have used the Sterling Herbal CBD products in her clinic. She's a doctor in her clinic and has come back to talk about their results. So over to you, Dr. Eucharia.
Thank you, Princess Lami'ah, for this opportunity to address us about the Sterling Herbal products. I'm Dr. Dumebi, and I've been using CBD oil, Sterling Herbal products, since it was introduced in Nigeria. I have quite a number of testimonials from my patients. I had a patient who had stage 3 cervical cancer. I introduced her to this product, and after about 2 months she repeated her investigation, and it was termed a low-grade tumor. I also had another patient whom I introduced the 750 to. He had colon cancer, and he used it for a couple of months, and he's back to work. As I speak to you, works in an oil company. I had another patient who had a swelling in the breast, a mass in the breast. It was tender. I actually introduced her to the 2400 milligram. This is her second bottle she's using, and actually the lump is resolving. The mass she felt there, when she came here today, she told me that it's almost gone. I also had another patient who had pancreatitis. She was introduced to the 750 milligram. She had lost a lot of weight. She was actually a shadow of herself. Her condition was such that there was nothing that could be done for her. She had to remain on antibiotics until the day the Lord will call her. And amazingly, within 10 days of using the medication, she regained her energy. She had an exudate, from her body, some black slimy fluid discharged from her system, Her husband was terrified. Neighbors came around, they were worried. But amazingly, she said she was feeling strong. She was stronger. She couldn't explain it, you know. And after then, someone who could hardly stand, who could hardly walk for 5 minutes without sitting down, now she can go miles, you know, and even her doctors are surprised. I also have a relative that I introduced to the 750. She had arthritis, very chronic arthritis. When she was on one, just a bottle of the 750, and by the time she went to Federal Medical Center Asaba to see her doctor, the doctor was amazed. He couldn't believe she was the one. So they had to call me to ask me what I gave to her. I had to send the names and I asked them to investigate. You know, they could do their own research about the CBD oil. And there are lots of amazing testimonies. I had an autistic child who was also on the 750, and there's a lot of improvement. He's not perfect yet, but there's a lot of improvement with the child. We have lots of amazing testimonies. For myself, I used to have problems with my sight, but now I can read without my glasses. Okay, I can read anything. I couldn't read newspapers before. I can read without my glasses. I also had issues using the staircase, but now I can run on my staircase up and down. I'm absolutely fine. My brother had locked nails. He was on the 750, and he told me, in fact, he told me one of the classical things it does is that it takes away the pain. So he told me, he said the temporary relief he used to have was when he used bandages on his joints, his nail joints. But now he's pain-free. Before he used to tell me, I sleep with pain, I walk with pain, I drive with pain. But since he started taking the 750 CBD oil, he said he no longer has pain, he no longer feels any pain. So he can drive without pain, he sleeps without pain, he moves about without pain, he's doing absolutely beautiful.
Wow.
Okay, so we have lots of amazing testimonies, lots and lots of testimonies. Name them. You know, we have lots of testimonies with respect to selling herbal products. Thank you.
Yes, so that's from the doctor. You've seen, you've heard, we've conquered. You know, she's come here, she's talked about, because she buys to give her patients. She has her clinic called PatViv. So if you need to PatViv Health Center, yeah, Health Center. So if you need to come there, you know, to meet with the doctor, you have a problem and you need to meet with the doctor, Dr. Eucharia is on hand. You come, you look for her, and she'll tell you what to do. So that's all from us for today. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Thank you.